Today we're going to give a quick introduction to the TotalCAE Mobile HPC application. This application gives you an easy way on iPhone or Android to basically have like an Instagram-like view of the jobs running on the cluster. You're going to be able to quickly, with just one hand, be able to check the output of your job on the go, cancel jobs, resubmit jobs, take actions. So this is kind of a mirrored view here to do this recording, but you can scroll down with your thumb and use left and right thumb actions to be able to do different actions. So right now I'm looking at a view of an Azure cluster. This is multi-HPC aware, so I can see jobs from multiple different HPCs that I have access to. And so if I want to just see like how is my job going, I can just click on it with my finger and I can see, hey, this job is currently running the packager for Abacus. I could get some details about the job by clicking on details. Maybe you want to know like some information about, how much time it might be using, what queue, maybe things you've forgotten. But most people are just going to want to see how is the output going. Maybe if you want to cancel it, you can click cancel job. Our portal and mobile app are application aware, so we know this is an Abacus job, for example. So I could maybe suspend tokens if someone needed those tokens in an emergency and I'm on the go. I could do Abacus terminate to cleanly shut down the simulation and preserve the ODB, along with like setting different, if I'm submitting, I can do different actions to control how many jobs are running at a time or change low and high priority. So that's all there is kind of to being able to quickly dive down into some details on a job and submit it and restart it. Similarly, like this oil rig, I can see that it's actually running a job and it can do all the same functions, but because it's Fluent, I have different Fluent options, like I can checkpoint it, I can tell it to exit, and so on. Now, this filters are kind of nice if I want to be able to, let's say I want to be able to look at all my AWS jobs. I just happen to have this cluster named AWS. I can just click on it and it'll show me I had this job over here that I can look at. Or maybe I want to be able to look at all my Abacus jobs. I can just type ab and it's going to show me all my Abacus. And it'll filter and it'll remember my filters. So I could quickly create some kind of custom filter maybe that I want. So I can one click just touch this and see what those jobs really quickly. Now I can, of course, clear out a filter with clicking the little X. And then it's not going to show me that in my filter list anymore. But it's going to remember your filter and makes it really easy to remember. Now, really another nice feature is our watchdog. So if a job is having an issue and we examine the output of the app and detect something's going wrong, you're going to see it kind of highlighted here, like this Fluent job. It says, hey, it's running, but something isn't quite right. So if you're seeing this while you're on the go, you can click on it. And you can see, hey, we see that the C watchdog has detected that on this Fluent job, you're getting prompted for overwrite. And you can see the little error here, and it's basically not actually running because of a problem with my journal file. So I know that this is kind of safe to cancel. So I'm just going to go ahead and click cancel job, and then that's taken care of. It gives me a little message that it has been canceled. And I could go back and see indeed my job has been canceled. So really handy if you get an alert while you're on the go and you're like, hey, I forgot to, clean out some file that the journal file wasn't expecting. I can go ahead and cancel it. So the watchdog is tightly integrated and give you a quick way at a glance to see what jobs that we see maybe having problems that you want to examine the output. And then, when you get back to work or on your laptop, you can hop on and take a look. So those are the major features of the TotalCAE Mobile HPC. Very easy to use, all one-handed operation. If you're interested in trying this out, the only real requirement is your ITS allow access from your phone to your network so we can access the portal and be able to give you this view. So if you're interested in deploying this at your site, it comes installed on all the latest portal suite automatically, or we can install it. Just email support@totalcae.com and we'll work with you to get TotalCAE Mobile HPC working so you can start being more efficient on the go and be able to manage your jobs even more effectively.